Oh hey, are you here to see wild tax documents too? No? You know it's tax season, right? Me? I'm hoping to see a 1098 form. I've never seen one out in the wild, so if I got to see one, it would be sublime. You know, since you're out here, why don't you join me? We can see what wild documents we can see together. So grab your canteen, that's Safari for water bottle, and hop in. Is that one over there? Let me look. Turns out, it was only a form wanting to discuss my car's extended warranty. I feel like we're getting close. You know, before we start hopefully seeing some wild documents, do you know why we're searching for them? No? It's because they are essential to filing your taxes. Yep, if you want to make your tax filing process simple, these are the documents you need to be looking for. Now I do want to know, every document we may see today, you might not need because you don't have the necessary thing, like owning a home, to be eligible for it. However, it is a good thing to know about these forms because you could be eligible for it down the road. It's never a bad thing to be prepared. Wait, do you hear that? Oh, look, it's a W-2 form. A W-2 form is the most common form you'll run into during the tax season because it shows you how much money you made during the year and how much in taxes was withheld by your employer. In order to get this form, your employer should be sending this through the mail, or they can give it to you while you're at work. If you haven't got this form by March, be sure to check in with your HR department. Goodbye, little W-2 form. Well, this is great. We've already seen one tax document. I wonder what we'll see next. Wait, what's that over there? Wow, it's a 1099 NEC form. A 1099 non-employee compensation form is a little trickier because it's changed in recent years. This form is for people who are self-employed or who work as an independent contractor. This compensation used to be documented on a 1099 miscellaneous form, but that changed in 2020. In order to be eligible for this document, you would have had to have been paid $600 in non-employee compensation in 1 year. The due date to file this form is actually January 31st, so you would need to contact the company you were contracted with by December if you haven't already received it. See you later, 1099 NEC form. This is a fantastic day. We've already seen 2 forms in a short amount of time. I wonder what's gonna be next. Do you hear that? Whoa, it's a Schedule A form! Now a Schedule A is an attachment to a Form 1040 and is for taxpayers who itemize their deductible expenses rather than taking the standard deductions. Things that can be deducted are, well, let's see. Looks like taxes, interest paid, gifts to charity, medical and dental expenses, casualty and theft losses, and other miscellaneous expenses. Anyone is allowed to use either the itemized deduction or the standard deduction when filing taxes. The goal is to choose the method that results in the greatest savings in tax payment. Well now, guess that's the circle of life. So who do we have here? Oh, it's a 1095A form. This form is for people who obtain their health insurance coverage through the health insurance marketplace and was created by the Affordable Care Act. A 1095A form will be sent to you via mail. And the cool thing about this form is that you don't need to hand it in with your tax returns. It's simply just for your records. We'll see you later, you little, very aggressive tax form. Ah! Hey! Who did that? Oh, it's you. You're not a form. Oh, this is last year's tax return. Though it's not a form, having a copy of last year's tax return is very handy for reference. It can help you remember any changes to your financial situation and ensure consistency in your filings. A great idea is to file your tax returns by year, just to make sure you don't miss anything during the next year's tax season. Whoa! You know, this has been a great day and all, but there's not much time left and I still haven't seen the form I was really hoping to see. I know. I'll lay out some bait to attract it. Here we go. Oh, we did it! It's a 1098 form. Look at that view. Homeowners, this one is for you. The 1098 form details all of the mortgage interest you've paid throughout the year. This information can help you claim deductions if you've been diligently making those mortgage payments. This form should be sent to you by your lender in the mail, so if you haven't gotten it yet, make sure to reach out to them. Oh man, this has been the best safari trip ever. You know, you're pretty good luck. So what we learned today is whether you're filing yourself or you have a tax person, having the correct documents at your fingertips can save you time and hassle. I also recommend if you have any more tax questions, be sure to reach out to yours or a tax advisor. Before we go, if you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoyed the video, and as always, thank you for trusting us.